The fastest way to grow your Facebook followers, the fastest way and the most reliable way, tested and trusted way to grow your Facebook followers is what I'm going to teach you today. A lot of people have been getting it wrong. A lot of people have been doing it the wrong way, but I was doing it the wrong way before, and I now understand the right way. And that's why I have a lot of followers on Facebook, and I make so much money on Facebook and YouTube. So today I want to teach you the fastest way to grow your followers on Facebook. Please, if you know you are ready to learn, grab a chair, come together, sit down. Are you guys seated? So that you can learn the way and the best way, in fact, the only way to make your money on Facebook, to grow followers on Facebook. See, this thing I'm doing is for free. If you are willing to listen, you are going to make money. You understand? So now the fastest way to make money on Facebook.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
Sorry guys, the fastest and reliable way to make your money on Facebook is what I'm going to teach you today. Sorry about the distraction. Do not focus on the distraction. Focus on me that is teaching you the right thing to do. Now, step one to grow your Facebook followers. I've done it. I have a lot of followers on Facebook. So I'm going to teach you how I have a lot of followers on Facebook. Are you ready? Step one, ladies and gentlemen.
Oga, is it not just 1.5k followers you have on Facebook?
This is playing.
I don't understand. Like, I'm doing a video. Why are you doing this?
But I'm just trying to show you. Shaving at 1.5k followers you get for Facebook. Why they mislead people?
Stop him. Sorry guys, like I was saying, don't believe what my wife is saying. Please, so ladies and gentlemen, the fastest way to grow your Facebook follower, I did it on Instagram. I did it on Facebook. My followers is like wildfire. So are you ready? Step one, like I was saying.
Babe, with your 4k followers, how far now? Why are you misleading?
But why be saying that I do my video, you can't do this one?
But now 4k followers you get.
But this is content now. Everything on social media is not fake.
70 years old man.
Why can't they do like say you know saying a fake life they live for my content? Now you can't do this kind of thing.
The earlier we realize.
I don't understand this. I better come off my video. Come on, come on, come out.
But you they mislead people.
Come on, yeah.
Talk. Oh, thanks, Oga.
That's they doing social media content. You can't come they don't say they mislead people. I don't understand. Come on, I don't even want to see you. Come on for there. Sorry guys, I'll be back next week. I don't understand. My mood have just spoiled. Please just next week I don't understand my video. Why they do this kind of thing now?